In this video, I will be showing you how to add transitions in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the left sidebar and click on Templates. I want to create a professional presentation, so I'll select the Presentation category from the top icons. Now, I'm going to scroll through the library to find a template that catches my eye. There are plenty of options, but I really like this minimalist turquoise design, so I'll click it and then select Customize this template. Once the project opens, I'll take a quick look through the slides to see the overall flow of the design. To add a transition, I hover my mouse between the first and second slide in the timeline at the bottom until the transition icon appears. Clicking that opens up the transitions panel on the left. Here, I can experiment with different styles like dissolve, slide, or even a circle wipe. Each one gives a different feel to the deck. I think I'll go with match and move for a more seamless effect. I can also use the duration slider to speed up or slow down the transition time. Once I'm happy with the settings, I'll click apply between all pages to ensure the whole presentation has a consistent look. Finally, I'll click the present button in the top right corner to see my work in action. As I move through the slides, you can see how much more professional the presentation feels with those smooth transitions connecting the pages. It really makes the content flow naturally from one point to the next, right down to the thank you slide. I'll jump back into the editor and we're all set.